Alright, so we are going to unbox this door protector from Modufy. Let's just unbox it right now. Whoa, that's a lot, eh? I thought it's just a few. So we have a lot, and we can scan the QR code for installation. So let's see how it looks like. It's rubber. So my Tesla is white. So I chose the white door protector. Alright, so as you can see, this is for both Model 3 and Model Y. So it has parts for two cars. So since my car is the Model 3, I'm just gonna get the 3 ones. So 3L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. So and then R, left and right. So 3, R4, R5, R1, R2, R3, not the Y ones, all right? So as you can see here, can you zoom this up?
Yeah.
So this is Y. Because I'm a Model 3, I'm going to separate this. We're not going to use Y. This is also, this is L, this is 3. So this is Model 3, I'm going to use that. This is Model Y. You got the point, right? So this is Model Y. We're not going to use that. This is Model 3. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts for each model. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So these are the parts we need. Alright. So why do we need this door protector? So I'm going to show you. This is my garage. You see all these marks here? Those marks, these are from the door bumping. So if I open this guy, you can see bang, right there. So you can see it stretches from here to there. Same thing from the other side. If I go here, you can see I open my door. Well, this one doesn't hit, but look at this marks. See all those marks? Those door marks is on my wall, and you can feel the garage door bumping there. So we're going to install those door protectors, and hopefully that's going to softly bump the walls and stop those marks from happening. We'll see. Okay, so as the installation instructions, we're going to clean the edges of the door first so those rubber will stick well. So let's just open each door and start doing that. So I'm just going to clean this up real good with a wet cloth. Make sure there is no dust. As you can see, it's pretty dusty, right? So I'm just going to wipe this out for each door. That's good. Do the same for this guy. Basically just the edges here, because we're gonna stick the door protector on the edges here. Okay, let's circle. Follow me, cameraman. Okay, same thing here. I'm gonna open the door a bit. So sweet. Last door. This guy. Alright. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, this is the left back. So you see this line here? So this has to be aligned with this line, right? So you're gonna go like this. So we're gonna go like this. This has to be aligned with the line. So I haven't taken off the adhesive yet, but now once I know it's gonna be like that, I'm gonna take out the adhesive, the double tape there, and okay, it's a bit tricky. Okay, it's out now, so be careful. So now you're gonna stick it here. All right, I think that looks good. So it's like that, right? Make sure you press it pretty well. And okay, now let's try closing this guy. So you see, there's that. It's gonna look like that. Okay. All right. So you see that line? That line, right? This line is aligned. So okay. That's one there. So the second one is this guy. So you might wanna try it out first before you actually stick it. It's gonna be like that, right? Somewhere around here at the bottom. So there. Anywhere here. So I'm just gonna put it there. I'm gonna peel this guy. Peel. So careful, because once it sticks, it's gonna stick. So I'm just gonna gently there. Sweet. Okay, so and they say if you can, please avoid bumping this too often because it's just an adhesive. So I don't know, we'll see. With rain, snow, because this is basically just a double tape, right? Double tape and rubber. I don't know how, unless it's screwed in, something that's not screwed in might just fall off. But well, we'll see. So that's done. This and this is now installed. So let's see. Can you see if it's gonna bump? See? It's bumping the rubber now. Okay, which is good. So it's working. Okay, now on the other side again. It's gonna be like this, right? See this line here? It has to be line like that. Okay, so this line. So basically you wanna stick there. See this line, right? Right, so now you screw over. Once you peel this, peel this. Okay, once you unpeel it, you focus. It's yeah, so many precise here. Okay, like that. There. Bang on, you see? You see, there's already a paint chip there because the bumpiness of this frequent bumps from this door to the garage wall. So there. Now let's try. Bump, see, it's in the rubber. Bang on, see? That's the one, right? Okay, now let's do the one. Again, this is just double tape, so make sure you're sticking it and forget to wipe it down. Hopefully double tape is strong enough to last for a long time. Same thing. So bump part, do it first. I'm gonna put here. Like that. Or you can go over here. Right. Okay, now we'll peel this guy. Same thing, spinning like that. And this line here, I think it's going to be below the line. I think I'm above the line. This is just decide where you want to stick it on. There you go. Wait, I think. Actually, let's do lower. There. Right, let's make sure it's stick it. Right, it's ready. Okay, it goes fine. Now let's open the door. Go. Cool. I don't know, when is it going to contact though? Because this will always go first, it's way further, right? But this is for extra protection, I'll say. Okay. Okay, so this is L2. You see the curve, so fit it here. You see, it's already all this chip here. You see the paint chip. Can you zoom on it a bit?
It's not focusing on it.
Okay, there's a paint chip here, right in this groove. So this is going to be a perfect protection. So I'm gonna peel this. So especially when you're getting a brand new Tesla Model 3, so you can protect this before it's all bumped up like mine. Okay. Again, you can get this from Modufy. Website is modufy.co. Okay, that's the. Okay, I'm gonna close. Okay. Last, but as well, I'm gonna finish this off. Is the last one here. So this is at the bottom, way at the bottom. So you can feel it's at the bottom. You can see this corner here. So this one is easy, just like that. And it's at the bottom. So I'm gonna peel this. and then just like that. Wait, it's not really at the bottom. There. So it's like that. Okay, we're all covered here. Let's demo. Open the door. Well, yeah, you can see, right? This will hit this. This will hit this, but now it's not. It's gonna be protected by this rubber now. Okay. All right. So now it's all installed. Back right door. 1, 2. There. Bam. Right. Perfectly there. Right. It's protecting. So go, and then front. 1 on this line, 2 on the line, 3 at the bottom. There, so open. Bam! This one hits, see? Perfect. Go circle. Front. Again, left side. 1, 2. Right, open. Well, we're not back enough, but then it's good. Left, back, 1, and then 2. This side here. Bam. Sweet, now it's all protected. Protect your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y doors before it get chipped by bumping through the garage, or even worse, another car. Okay, like and subscribe.